It's called a good quality of life. So I'm proud to say I call myself Enviromom because I love the environment. I mean, we are all connected. I don't call it a tree. It's actually our lungs because we and the planet are the same. Like mind, body, and spirit, it's all, if you look at it holistically, you cannot separate yourself from our environment. And I have mom of 2 children, and as early as their age, I'm starting the awareness because it starts with them. I always ask this myself every night. How can we live? How can I have a better life for my family? How could I improve the lives of the people around me? It's always a question that haunts me. So I won't say that I'm an environmentalist. I'm just someone who actually strives to live a better life each day. So what I want to show to everyone is that we need to approach sustainable living from a different angle. Because it has to be something that we need to do more of good things, less of the bad things. Because the moment you do a paradigm shift, you become more creative, then you become more inspired, and then you start telling your neighbors that maybe it's not a good idea to throw away things around you. You have to keep it with a positive light. So there's just 3 pillars of sustainable living that I want to share to all of you. Floor, that's the first pillar. And this is why we chose this gym surrounding you, so that you will be inspired also to move. Because if you notice, being fit has a lot of physical benefits. So move, that's first. Second, nourish. I did not say eat, I say nourish. Because nourishment is different with just plain eating. What I would want to teach everyone is mindful eating. We need to be aware of what we're eating. And this is one rule I want to share to all of you. If you can just eat by sitting down, not eat by standing. Because eating by standing, it means you're eating fast food. You're eating food by convenience. Savor your food, enjoy it, and eat with proper cutleries, please. Because for all of the ladies here, we should all believe that we are queens in our own right, which means that we deserve proper cutleries. We don't deserve plastics. So this is what I want to try to teach everyone. If you're hungry, okay, fine. But then sit down, have a proper meal, enjoy your food. Try not to go for fast food. So this is what I teach also my children. It's not that we don't eat for Jollibee, we don't eat Dunkin' Donuts, but we're sitting down in a proper place and we're actually savoring using our own cutleries. The third pillar that I want is connect. Connect because we need to always remember who we are, and connecting to nature actually has so many benefits. I actually call it my ecotherapy because it has a lot of benefits. I don't need to tell all of that here because I think you all know. But we also need to connect to our inner selves, because the moment we forget who we are, I think that's when we do mindless pursuit, hyper-consumption, chasing all the unnecessary things that we actually don't need in our lives. So if I want to summarize it all, move, that's first. You have to have movement at least 30 minutes a day. Second, nourish. Try not to eat directly from plastics, if you can. And the third is connect. Connect with nature, learn to connect with yourself, and connect with people who actually matters to you. The rest you don't need. So I started social media with a purpose. So actually I'm quite active in social media because I think that I want to use it as a tool to reach out to people on my advocacy. I think we should not just be consuming content that are, I wouldn't say useless, but not purposeful. So with my daughter Ada, it's her habit. She always brings her water bottle. It becomes autopilot to her to bring her water bottle. And also my son Anton, they don't use straws. If they actually question, what's this straw from Acello? And it's paper straw. So these 2 habits, my kids just master this. So if there's a key takeaway that you can come out after this session, just master or choose 1 or 2 habits. Small changes. Just try to do them first 30 days, maybe once a week, and then until it becomes autopilot. Like my kids, they can never go or leave the house without their water bottles, and it becomes second nature to them.